Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to use the Know Your Worth tool in Glassdoor. So guys, the first thing that you have to do is go to glassdoor.com and you'll be greeted by a website like this. Now when you're here, you just need to go and log into your profile. But guys, if you do not have one, you can always go and register to Glassdoor. And guys, if you do not know how to do that, you can always go to our YouTube channel where we have plenty of how to Glassdoor videos where you can see how you can do this. Now guys, that we got that out of the way, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see here, we have the Glassdoor website where we have a lot of different options. The first one is community, where you can see all the posts that people have posted, and you can also post your posts if you want, of course. We have jobs, where you can go and search for jobs. You can find your perfect job here, put the location and everything and search for it. We have companies, where you can find a workplace that works for you. So basically, if you have an employer in mind, you can search for a company here and click on search. And we have salaries, guys, where you can see if you are paid fairly. So you can find that out by putting your job title here and the location and searching for the job. In the top right corner, you have your profile, job activity, contributions, settings, help center, and the sign out option. But guys, now let's see how to use the Know Your Worth tool. Well, users simply need to provide their current job title, base salary, location, relevant years of experience, education, and gender. If the user current role is included in Glassdoor You Know Your Worth, the tool will calculate the current personalized market value for the users in seconds. So guys, that is everything for this video. I hope that you found it informative. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, put the notifications on, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.